as I was saying, our goal today is to welcome you to the world of investing. My goal is to walk you through the basics of growing your wealth, from understanding different investment types to understanding and how to avoid the common pitfalls that come with investing. So, why are we investing? Why is investing an important item for us? Well, the first thing and the biggest power from investing is the power of compound interest, right? The ability for your money to multiply by itself as it grows over time and by the amount of growth that it's getting year over year. So watching your money grow exponentially over time, that simply tells you that the earlier you start, the better and more powerful the effect is on you. Now, the second thing, and in today's climate, I think it's very important that we mention it.